My name is James McNeely. One of the reasons I hired Texas Mover Groups is after looking at a lot of other companies and receiving other quotations, I found it to be extremely honest and people that I trust. What makes the Texas Movers Group stand out more than anyone else is Sean. Our home's about 5,100 square feet, and one of the reasons we chose the Texas Mover Group is this is just not a normal move. We have a second house in South Carolina that we're going to be moving some of the furniture to that area. We also have another home in Michigan that we're going to be moving some of that furniture there. And we're looking at our new home in Austin. So it was very imperative to us that we had someone that would be able to handle all of that special need. I think the best part of the overall move is that Sean's attention to detail. The crew, they treated our home like it was their home. We're at the point right now where it's downsizing. The kids are gone. This big house is just too big for my wife and I and our 3 little dogs. So it's time for us just to slow down a bit. So that's why we're moving to Austin on the lake, and maybe I'm gonna do a little fishing now.